Hey all, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. Here I am in beautiful Kosovo and can't wait to show you what this country has in store. So this is country number 91. Hope you guys enjoy the episode. Stay golden.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة
Alright, so that was a beautiful surprise that I was not expecting here in Kosovo, to be waking up to that. I think the first call of prayer from the mosque behind me is roughly around 4:30 a.m., 4:25 a.m. and it's yeah, woken me up each morning that I've been here. But you know what, I think it's beautiful. I've been enjoying it. I just was not picturing it when I had first decided to come here, and yeah, no, it's as you hear, they do call it out. I believe it's 5 times a day, and yeah, it's a nice moment of peace. I find it. You know, I'm not Muslim. I'm a Catholic that I grew up with, and yeah, to me it's beautiful. I just find it peaceful and time to relax. So those are beautiful flowers, beautiful tomatoes, mint, lots of different herbs, and you can see it's being sold here on almost every corner. This guy's selling the same thing across the street, very similar, as it's planting season. So similar to Canada, May long weekend is kind of the national planting season for Canadians, and it appears very similar here in Kosovo. Love it. Yeah, I'm a big gardener, and no, it's an exciting time of year because the days are getting warmer by the hour essentially, and lots and lots of optimism with spring and summer. Alright, so my beloved Maple Leafs are in the second round of the playoffs right now. I'm having a very difficult time, stressful time watching them right now. But yeah, just wanted to mention that I am waking up each day. It's about 1 a.m. local time here in Kosovo to watch the game, and I'll show you some of the highlights of me stressing out. But I feel good, but at the same time it stresses me out, as we have not had the past history of winning as other teams have. But I think this is our year. Feeling good about it, and watching the Leafs, cheering you guys on from Kosovo.
Hey all, sorry to pause the video right here. I just need to ask a big favor from all of you. So currently only about 10% of all the people watching my videos are subscribed. So if you could please hit that button down below, tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a stranger, for God's sakes. That's how this channel grows, and I can work on my goal of being the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. So it's not just for me though, there is something in it for you. So for every time my subscriber count doubles, I'll be giving out a nice gift pack with some local delicacies and treats from the countries that I visited. I'll throw in a flag, some nice coffees, etc. So I gave one out at 500, gave one out at 1,000, gave one out at 2,000. Can't wait to give one out at 4,000. And again, that could be sent to you by hitting that subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for all the support. Stay golden, all.
I'm geared up, ready to watch my beloved Toronto Maple Leafs go and play against the Florida Panthers. This is for Game 6. This is feeling like it could be our year. We had a rough Game 5, but anything can happen. We just got to believe. We got to play hard. I'm trying not to make too much noise. As I say, again, it is the middle of the night, but having a local beer to ease the stress and cheer on my beloved Leafs. So let's do it, guys. We can do it, and come on, bring it back for Game 7 in Toronto. Love you guys. Go Leafs, go. Cheers. Woohoo! Yeah, baby! We were able to pull it off here. Game 6, we won. This is a replay, but we are going to Game 7. Can't wait. A couple more days. This is going to be nerve-wracking. Again, same thing. It's going to be super early. I got to get my sleep rearranged, but either way, I'm going to be up for it. Can't wait to watch it live, and hopefully I can share some good news and good feelings for you guys in the video. Either way, I'm going to keep bare my all as a true fan and share it with you guys. So fingers crossed. My heart is feeling good about the Leafs this year. Really hope that they can pull it off. Can't wait to show you guys some of Game 7 coming up in a couple days. All right, here we go. Game 7 for my Toronto Maple Leafs against the Florida Panthers. I got a nice glass of local Rosé, because Rosé is just a little bit more fun than plain old white, in my opinion. And cheers to them. Oh, again, it's a very late night. It's a 1:30 local time here in Kosovo, and trying to be, you know, respectful to my neighbors, but I'm going to be cheering them on at a, you know, quieter decibel level. But yeah, very excited. Hoping to see them pull off something they haven't done in a very long time. Go Leafs, go! Feeling good. Gonna enjoy my Kosovo wine, and hope you guys are enjoying the game too, wherever you are in the world, and feeling it. Fingers crossed. Let's go, guys. Let's do it. We can do it. This is our year. Let's make it happen. And you may have seen me this excited in the past. If you haven't, you can go check out the 2 cool videos, my Rwanda video, and then I ended up going from Rwanda all the way to Boston last year to watch Game 7 live, which didn't work out very good for my darn beloved Toronto Maple Leafs. Heartbreaker 2-1 loss, but I called that episode Heartbreak in Boston. You can check that one out right here. Oh boy, they are letting me down so far. We are down 2-0 against the darn Florida Panthers, and yeah, it is hard to come back in the playoffs. Really hard to come back on a Game 7, but let's see if it's possible. I really hope I'm not disappointed yet again. Come on, Leafs, I still believe. Let's dig deep. Let's make this happen. Let's prove all the doubters wrong. And yeah, let's push it to the next round. Don't let me down. Wow, that was so much worse than I thought it could be. 6-1. You guys really disappointed me this year, and I lost a lot of sleep on this trip, as it's 10 hours ahead from game time. But yeah, big boo. You're still my team. Still love you guys, but man, oh man, very disappointing. Terrible score. Maybe next year. Hey all, thanks again for watching another episode of Travel with Carter. I had an amazing time here while in Kosovo. It's a beautiful country. One of those ones that's, again, off the beaten path a little bit, but highly recommend it. I would encourage you to come and check it out. Again, the technicality is it's not a country in some people's eyes, but as I'm going for the 197, it counts as a country to me and many others. We won't go into that, but Google it if you need more information in regards to that. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed what you watched. If you are enjoying the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how I can continue my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. And yeah, I'm about to jump on a bus right now to head to Montenegro, and I hope you guys will enjoy that episode as well. Please tune in next week and every other week as I continue to pump out videos for you guys. So stay golden all.